Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your IRA with Rowe Price, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your IRA with Rowe Price, start by gathering your current IRA account information. You will need details from your existing IRA account, including the account number and institution name. Next, create an account on the Rowe Price website if you don't have one. Visit the website and click on the Open an Account option. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, log in to your Rowe Price account. Navigate to the Transfer an Account section in the main menu. Select the type of IRA you wish to transfer. Fill out the required forms, including information about your current IRA. Provide your current account details, including the institution and account number. Indicate if you want a full or partial transfer of your assets. Review all entered information for accuracy. Submit the transfer request electronically. After submission, Rowe Price will process your request. They may contact your current financial institution to initiate the transfer. Keep an eye on your Rowe Price account for updates on the transfer status. Typically, the transfer process takes a few days to a few weeks, depending on the institutions involved. Monitor your emails for any notifications regarding your transfer. Once the transfer is complete, review your Rowe Price account to ensure all assets have been accurately transferred. If you have questions throughout the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Rowe Price customer service for assistance. This step-by-step approach will help you successfully transfer your IRA to Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.